with Hal Johnson and Joanne McLeod.
Oh, you caught us enjoying a slice of cheesecake. But we don't feel guilty, and neither should you. You stay active and have treats occasionally.
Even the desserts you choose can be lower fat ones. This rich and creamy cheesecake delivers on taste and has a fraction of the fat and calories of most. So here's how to make this no-bake cheesecake. In a mixing bowl, add 1 package of ultra-low-fat cream cheese and slowly blend it with 1 can of low-fat sweetened condensed milk. Add 1 cup of fat-free whipped dressing and continue to blend until smooth. This provides the extra creamy texture and taste to your cheesecake without additional fat. Then stir in 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Pour the mixture into a pre-made graham pie crust and chill for 4 hours or overnight. I also like to freeze it for something a little different on hot days. Then top the pie with your favorite fruit.
You don't need much to satisfy your craving for cheesecake.
Until next time, keep fit and have fun.
You're almost done, Joe.
This is good.
BodyBreak.
Thanks for watching this video.
And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the BodyBreak channel for more awesome videos.
Until next time, keep fit and have fun.